Welcome back to the Jon Boat build. Now this boat was built in 1974, but it did not want to come apart without a fight. At the end of this video, it's going to be time to start putting it back together.
Left the camera home, of course. I got one of these guys out. Took a little bit of doing. Finally got these struts out. All these bolts. Are the bolt the transom in? I don't really know. They're just kind of free spinning. Different sizes, random screws and bolts sticking through on both sides. I gotta figure out how to get these bolts out. Look at all this. It's like a ecosystem of dirt. Looks like mulch. Yeah, that's free spinning, free spinning, free spinning, free spinning. These are supposed to be the heads of things. I don't know. Y'all don't want to watch me struggle with all this anyway, so I'll show you when I'm done. Let's shorten this process up. Let's speed up the speed up. How's that for sturdy? All right. I think that's all of them down here. Oh, except for those. All right, this is what we're doing. I bought this, which says it's made for cutting thin sheet metal or aluminum. I thought that it would fit on my little cordless circular saw here, but it is just tiny, tiny bit too small of a diameter hole. So we're doing a little machining and opening that hole up, and hopefully we don't destroy anything. Success. All right, so the plan is to remove, I've been calling it an engine well, but I really don't know what to call it, but it's really in the way for getting to the transom. So my hopes is if I can cut here and here and then cut this top cap off, I'll at least be able to pop that transom out. And then I'm probably gonna try to cut this off and then same back up in here. And hopefully this whole section will drop down after that. And then we can just weld it back when we need to. It looks like at one point it probably was removable with these bolts, but at some point somebody went along and welded it up. I don't know, we're gonna cut it up and see what happens. Might be a bad idea, but we're doing it. We can go in with a reciprocating saw or something to...
Oh yeah, perfect.
Pretty easy.
Can I get in the boat?
Oh, here, go ahead.
Lucky.
There's some random wood here.
And another piece of metal.
Yep.
And it's welded in the corners, Josh.
I think it'll be good, but it feels like this bottom might not be attached. If we just cut here, it may be able to fall out. Yeah, this transom's fine. There's nothing wrong with this transom. Let's put it back on and just keep using it.
Termites have been in it. It does, doesn't it?
I'm wasting my time doing all this. See, this isn't attached. This isn't attached here or all the way up to here. Yeah, I really think I can cut these welds. I think we can get all this out without messing with any of this, which was my concern. Sitting on the bottom.
Yeah, yep, on this side it is. I'm gonna do want to clear these.
I don't even know if I can use this as a template. All right, it's like 4 degrees outside, so we put the boat in the shop.
Yes, we did, although I wasn't here for it. So what's the objective here?
Get the rest of the floor up so we can see what these ribs look like all the way down the boat and assess how much repair work there's gonna be.
It's just a bunch of grunt work though, isn't it? Screws, all corroded, all painted in. They all look like that. Oh, it's terrible. Watch my face turn as red as my shirt. It's not even drilled. Got it? I wonder if this stuff made the ride a lot quieter.
Look at that thing.
That's just a hole knocked in it, huh?
Grind that.
Grinding.
All right, good job.
Yeah, it's not bad. Now it's just a cleanup job.
Do you like how it's a boat? And this baby loves a boat.